Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to start with this website called postermywall.com. I typed in magazine covers and then I went down and just clicked what I liked. I liked this one because it just seemed cool. So yeah, I already did it. So I just kind of did like a little rough draft on what I did. The first thing I did was remove the lady. Then I went to add and went to the backgrounds to, add my background. I clicked the picture that I wanted to use. I accidentally started clicking a lot. My fault. But yeah, I clicked the picture that I wanted to use and basically just uploaded that. Yeah. Made it fit the way I wanted to. Cut out all the excess that I didn't want on there. And then boom, look at me. I'm on the back of my magazine. That rhymed. I'm not a rapper though, head ass. But anyways, so then I typed in upcoming YouTube star because, I wanted something catchy and something that, represented me. So then I did that. I just kind of moved it up and then made the font smaller because I didn't want it to be covering my face as much. So I did that. And then the next thing, I just put wow, like an expressive word that just, popped. And then right here, it had 3 little things. So I said, why not put my niches, which are hair, lifestyle, and vlogs. So yeah, that's actually supposed to be vlogs. I don't know why I put vlogs. OMG. And of course, much more because we are multifaceted on this channel. We don't just do just 1 or 2 or 3 things. We do a lot. Then I went down and changed my name. Of course, Shondine, because y'all know Shondine. Oh, y'all, I hate voiceovers. It's so weird, Like, do you really know what's next? I, moved it around just to customize my stuff. So then down there, I just wanted to put something simple and cute. So I just put boss up because that was really the point of my channel for real, just bossing up and just doing things that bosses do. And that's a big thing about my channel. So yeah. And then right here, I just kept what it said because, hey, why not? So yeah, just kind of really tweaking everything on this side, just making sure everything is good. And that's pretty much it for that side. Then, come on, Shauna, where we go? I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Okay, I don't know what. Oh, I'm just doing extra now at this point. Wow. Well, while we are waiting for me to stop being so extra. Oh, never mind. Okay. Like, subscribe, comment, share, Okay, so down here, I like that it said discover the secret. So I just finished it to becoming a boss babe or Don because that's what my subscribers are called. I love you guys. And of course, you guys are boss babes and Dons. So if you want to follow my channel, that's what we're going to discover because, yeah, that's the whole point of this channel. Find your inner boss babe and Don. So yeah, on the side, I just really just started tweaking stuff. Like I wanted to move this number, but I started moving everything else, even though it was 40. Like 4 is my favorite number, so that was kind of lucky, but I didn't want it. So I just kept trying to like make stuff disappear, and I kept forgetting that I had to actually push that instead of like dropping it down or something. So that's why you see me like just moving it around. But yeah, I just added little different cute little sayings to this stuff, and I just deleted what I didn't need and what I did. So deleted that. Right here, I changed stunning to multifaceted because I'm very serious about that. Like, we are Jacks and Janes of all trades on this channel. Like, we do it all. So I want everybody to know that we're multifaceted in everything that we do. Like, we have so many talents. So like, yeah. That's what we are. I made the font a little smaller, but then I just couldn't get jiggy with the little sidebar thing. Like, I can barely see it, so I had to kind of keep like playing with it. And yeah, as you see, it's just like, like, do I like it? Do I not? Do I like it? Do I not? So I just kept just tweaking it until I felt comfortable with it. And then I think this one, yeah, look at me. I knew I was comfortable. So it said, are you afraid? So I changed to, why aren't you subscribed? Like, why aren't you? Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel because it's what you should do. Subscribe to my channel or I'll be blue. But yeah, what did I put right here? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, videos are a must see. All my videos are must see. You know, just check them all out. After this one, you might as well, like, what else are you doing? You might as well check out my videos. And this right here is very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. Hit that notification bell so you will not miss a thing. Okay, hit it. Just hit it. Hit that. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the share button. Hit that comment section. Just do it like Nike. We're not Nike, but just do it like Nike. But yeah, then I had to change the date. It is March 2021. So I changed the date real quick like that. I don't know why it was taking me so long. Yeah, I just be doing extra for no reason. And then here I go tweaking stuff again. Y'all just gonna see me tweaking a lot of stuff. Like, I'm really a perfectionist, and even though this was like a rough draft, I just kept saying, oh, it's wrong, it's wrong, it's wrong. So yeah, long story short, fixed all that I wanted to fix, tweaked it a little bit more, and now for the good stuff. So we don't pay for stuff. I try not to pay for stuff, so I just screenshotted it and then cropped it out. Because, like, I mean, you don't necessarily have to pay, I think, if you make an account and stuff, but I was kind of pressed for time, so I don't really remember. So I just screenshotted it, and it was easier screenshotting it. And then boom, here we go. So I went to Staples and copied it on some photocopying paper so it can be silky. Then I went to Dollar Tree and got these cards because it just seemed like my small magazine would fit on it. So I cut out each paper. Oh yeah, and by the way, I was gonna use like a full thingy, but it didn't work. But anyways, okay, so yeah, I just kept some of the white because I felt like it would be, you know, just cuter and more neat keeping some of the white, just to fold it over instead of just trying to cut everything perfectly and like make sure it fitted. So yeah, and I used tape. Couldn't find any glue sticks, and I don't like using like runny glue on stuff. So yeah, I just basically folded everything nicely. And the reason why I'm not really tripping about the back is because I'm going to cover the back with the what is it called? I freaking suck. But yeah, so I'm just over here measuring. I really forgot that quick. Wow, I'm over here just measuring so like I can cut what I don't need. No, just cutting. A lot of this is honestly really self-explanatory. I just wanted you guys to know where I got the stuff from. So yeah, I did get the papers. I did get the actual printouts from Staples. So I went to Staples and did that with photocopying paper. So remember that part. I'm gonna list everything below so you don't really have to remember it. And then I got the cards from Dollar Tree. So everything was like, what, $3? And then the actual printing out the paper, I don't think that was a lot at all. If I'm not mistaken, like maybe $3, $4, $5. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I just did it. I had to hurry up. I was really late trying to do all this stuff. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll just let you guys see how I did it. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Let me know if you guys want more DIY tutorials or just fun things to do. Like, this was so fun for me to do, so I really enjoyed it, you guys. And like I just can't wait to bring you guys more stuff like this because this was actually really, really fun. So yeah, hope you guys like it as much as I like doing it. And if you do them, make sure you guys DM me your results. Like, if you actually make some, DM them to me so I can post them, because like this was really fun making it, even the magazine part. So yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Continue to watch. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't feel free to DM me. Like, I don't really get to the comments on YouTube as quickly as I should because like I'm not coming back and forth on YouTube as much because I only post like every other day. But on Instagram, I will get back to you sooner. So my Instagram is Shauna Imani. It will be listed below as well. But you guys, I love you. Thank you guys so much for the support and continue to watch. Bye.